Hello, I'm Derek, and this is the Derekini family. Next my future. Yeah. And I'm gonna tell you a love story all about me Timothy. Let's get. I'm gonna tell you a love story from me and my Timothy. Let's get Thunderstorms anymore. You know, anytime as you get older, yeah, I'm going up as you get older, but. The sound? Yeah. Those out there? Shoot. There's dinosaurs out there. Aww. Are we okay? Are we okay out there? Are we okay out there? Are we okay out there? You okay out there? Come on in, buddy. Stop! If I could, Timothy, I would. His race was over. Morning later. That's okay. Oh, Dirty. Yeah, Doug. Alright, no. I guess come to me. I guess come to me. Thank Derekini. Welcome to it, So, yay. Ducky time to sing. We more down sun of a shine again. Was I believe on thunder? Like a plan. How do you go again? I wonder. The sun shine again. What the rain keep falling. What the sky stays gray. What the wind keeps blowing and never go away. The superstar retired. The superstar and then I go on away. Wonder what sun will shine. Wish I could say, tell me a sign, one away. Now if you're listening, hold on till then. Where was the Now, it's the same thing to do when you're scared. A deep breath. Deep breath. So next time on Dereki's Family Future. Yeah. That's on Dereki's Future. Yeah.